before we get started, what I want to do is I want to introduce you to someone just a little twisted. Little twisted, come on over here. Damn, you are short. You can't be short in the kitchen. It's hard to reach things. Let's fix that. Oh, that's a lot better now. All right, so you wanted pizza, right? You can talk, it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to make pizza. First thing we're going to do before we start this pizza, we're going to make our sauce. This is the easiest sauce in the world to make. All you have to do is mix it up and then put it on the pizza and then you're good to go. So, you ready? This is you. We have stuff. We're going to put the stuff in that stuff. We're going to mix that stuff and then we're going to put that stuff on the pizza stuff. We're going to add cheese to that stuff and then we're going to make pizza. Right?
Right.
What kind of pizza?
I forgot.
Cheesy pan pizza.
That's the name of it.
Well, pan pizza. Cheese. It's cooked in a pan. Right?
Right.
All right. You are twisted, aren't you? Just a little bit. All right, so here I have 28 ounces of tomato sauce. You can use tomato sauce, you can use crushed tomatoes, it doesn't matter as long as it's tomatoey. We're going to add a couple of different things to it. We got oregano, basil, parsley, garlic, onion, salt, pepper. As you can see by my lovely assistant who likes to pick things up, those are the ingredients. All right, you ready? So, you remember which is which? Yes, maybe.
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 Yeah.
This is like working in a real kitchen. You teach somebody something, they forget it almost instantly. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in some dry oregano. You remember which one was the oregano? No. That's a lucky guess. All right, so let's take this bowl. Don't dump the bowl. All right, so find the tablespoon. Nope. Nope. There you go. You found it. All right, you ready? So, one big tablespoon. Scoop it up there, really big. All over the counter. Good job. Yep, pour it in the sauce. Just dump it. We don't need a video to be a half hour. All right, next thing we're going to add is the basil. Let me take that. Remember which one was the basil? Nope. Nope. Yep, you got it. All right, now we're going to add another tablespoon of that. All right, one big, fill it up all the way. We want a big heaping tablespoon of that spice. Don't dump it on the counter.
I'm not doing that.
All right, you're good.
It's hard to do that.
It's about there. It's almost a level scoop. It's close. All right, just pour it in. Pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it. All right, one more little scoop of that because you missed half of the spoon. All right, good. All right, now I'm going to take that out of the way before we basil everything else. All right, next we're going to put the parsley in. You got it on the first shot.
That's because it's green.
That's because it's green. Did you hear that? Parsley is green. Tablespoon.
Why is everything a tablespoon?
Because I like tables. And I like spoons. So we have tables and spoons. 2 of those. There's 1. You know how to count to 2, right?
I'm in 4th grade.
All right, you're in 4th grade. Okay. All over the counter again. Wow. Somebody's going to have to clean this mess up, and I guess that's probably going to be me.
Nope, me.
All right, let's get that out of the way before we make everything extra greener. All right, next is a teaspoon of granulated garlic. Remember which one was the garlic?
Nope.
You remember which one was the teaspoon? You remember which one was the teaspoon? Nope. There you go. All right, so the good news is we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of onion.
Okay,
So it's 1 of each. I hope you're not in a hurry because this is going to take a while. Good job. Give me that. Dump it in there. All right, good. I'll take that one.
Pepper.
All right, so you got pepper. You got that one. You knew what that one was right off the top. The pepper is going to be half a teaspoon. So go ahead and, nope.
Dang it.
Yep. one of those. Pour it in there. Just dump it. Come on, get it in there. You are on your way. Give me that.
And this?
Nope. Teaspoon. Half a teaspoon again. Oh, you got it right. Look at that. Little chef teaching big chef.
Small one?
Yep. Dump it in there. Good job. All right, give me this. I'll take that. And I'll take those. Where are you going? Oh, she cleans up after herself. I wish she would do that in the rest of the house.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha.
You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. All right, what are we going to do next?
Mix it.
Mix it. Bring the bowl closer to you. You got it. All right, get in there. Mix it all around. Make it nice and saucy. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. And break the bowl. This is why we can't have nice things. Pizza. We want to put sauce on this, right?
Or else it's gonna be cheese pizza with no sauce.
Who wants a cheese pizza with no sauce? I guess somebody found something to do while we wait for the pizza to cook. What are you gonna do with that?
Yep.
Can you believe? I don't believe I'm letting her hold this knife. What are you doing? Give
Is that how
me
you cut it?
that.
That's how you cut it?
No. All right, which piece of pizza do you want?
I want that piece.
You want that piece?
Yeah, that looks
All
good.
right.
That looks like a good
Look
piece.
at that. Oh,
Ooh, that.
look at that. Okay.
Now let's try it. This is how you make a
Pizza.
yeah.
You already forgot.
Yep. I knew
You
it.
want to go eat that now?
Yeah. Oh, heavy.
Goodbye.
Bye.
She makes a good pizza.